Hi students, here we are going to learn about division of decimal numbers. So I'll start with division by 10, 100 and 1000. The multiplication itself we have seen some beautiful pattern. So let me see here. So let I consider 31.5 divided by 10. So the fraction you remember that we can change this, right? So let me write 31 by 0.5 in the representation of 315 by 10, right? Because the 5 is a 10th. 315 by 10 and 31.5 are same. So this division can be changed into the multiplication by followed by changing the reciprocal of the next number. The 10 can be written as a 1 by 10 followed by the reciprocal. So now it is easy, right? Multiple numerator and denominator. 315 into 1 is 315 and 10 into 10 is 100. So it is 100. We know 100th means there will be two decimal digits, 3.15. Right? This is the final answer. But we will directly compare this and this final step. We will be getting a few beautiful thing. Just nothing. There is a 1 0 over the 1 and just it's shifted to the left side. The multiplication, you remember, it is to the right side, right? Division just opposite it towards the left side. You can see 31.5 divided by 10. It's just by shifting the left side we will get the 3.15. The same pattern is here. Here we go for the next division of decimal by a whole number. So 6.4 divided by 4 I consider. 6.4 can be written in the terms of 64 by 10 divided by 4 is just in the fraction I represent 4 by 1, so that we can change this division into the multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the 4 by 1. So 64 by 10 into 1 by 4. We change the division into multiplication, then followed by the fraction is a reciprocal. So now multiply numerator and denominator. 64 into 1 and 10 into 4, because we can cancel 64 and 4. It has a common factor as a 4. The 4 is 1 times. Here it's 16 times, right? So 16 into 1 is 16 divided by 10. So now the answer you can observe by 10. So we'll move at decimal values. 1/10 digit should be there. So it is a 1.6, right? Here we go for the next problem. Division of decimal number by another decimal number. So two decimal number we consider. So 25.5 divided by 0.05. So this we have to divide. So 25.5 we can write in the terms of 255 by 10, and the 0.05 we can represent in the terms of 5 by 100. It depends on the number of digits. It's a 1 0, it's a 2 digits, so it is a 2 zeros. 100th. This 5's place value is the 100th. Here the 5's values is a 10th. Right? So now the division can be changed into multiplication, and it will be a reciprocal, and you can see 255 by 10 into 100 by 5. Right? And the answer is 510. Just we multiply and simplify, we will get like an 0 0 get cancels, and 5 table 255 is for 51 times, right? But it's a little taking a long step. We can directly bring to the step by we can observe that here is a 2 decimal points. So in the numerator it is 100. Here is a 1 decimal points and denominator it is 100. If we observe the pattern, just we can directly write like this. Without decimal point we can write a 255 by 5 into. So in the denominator's number of digits in the decimal can be represented in the numerator 1 followed by that much of zeros. So here 2 digits, so 1 followed by 2 zeros, divided by here it is a 1 digit, so 1 followed by 1 0. Just opposite. If it is the numerator, just write it in the denominator, and it is in the denominator 2 zeros, just write in 2 numbers, just write applying the 2 zeros in the numerator. So directly you will be getting the same value. You will be getting the 0 0 get cancels, 5 and 255 is 51, and 51 into 10 is 5, right? So we can use directly within 2 steps we will get an answer. 1 2. Second step we have in the answer, right? Here if you see it's 1 2 3 steps. So directly we can observe the pattern and we can go according to it. So the problem is 0.4 divided by 2, right? So 0.4 can be represented as a 4 by 10, and division can be changed into the multiplication, and 2 can be written as a reciprocal 1 by 2. Clear? And the 2 and 4 can be cancelled, and it is for a 2 times, and it is a 2 by 10, which we will write it as a 0.2. Clear? That's it. Next, 0.80 divided by 5. 0.80 can be represented as a 80 by 100 into division changed to multiplication. So 5 over will be changed as a 1 by 4. Reciprocal of the 5 is a 1 by 4. And we can simplify it. 0, 0 get cancelled, right? So next, 8 by 50. Right? So 8 by 50 will be the answer, 0.16. Or else another method we can try, or another method. Instead of cancelling 0, 0, we can directly cancel the 5 and 8. I will write here 80 by 100 into 1 by 5, because leave that 100 same, because we are going to place a decimal there, and 5 and 80 can be write as a 16, and 16 by 100, it's very easy, without division you can find it is a 0.16. So any methods you can follow. So here we go for the next problem. 4.8 divided by 10. So if 10 involved, just it's enough to move to the left. 10 move towards the left 10. So 0.48, right? And 0.56 divided by 10, move towards the left. So it will take decimal here, the 0.056. So 0.056, or simply you can write also 0.056. Both means the same. So here is a 1 digit, 10. So 1 digit moved to left. Here this digit, so it will become a 3.31. Clear? The next problem is among the 100 by dividing. So 2 zeros will be there. Just 2 digits we have to move. 2.7 divided by 100, it will become 2 digits we have to take. 1 digit, no, there is no more digit, so we will consider as a 0. So 027, here is the decimal point. 0.027 or simply 0.027. The same here, we will move 1 digits here. Here there is no number, so we will add a 1 more digit. So 0. Here 10 and 1 more digit we have to move. So 00 and 3. Clear? The same 98.53 divided by 100. 2 zeros, 2 decimal digits, 1 digits and 2 digit. It will be before the 9. So 0.9853. Clear? We'll go for the next problem. 7.9 divided by 1000. Thousands has a 3 zeros, so 3 digits we have to move. So we have a 1 digit here, so we'll add a 2 zeros and 79. So 0.0079. So next 3 zeros, the same by 1000. So 26.3 divided by 1000. So 2 digits are there, 1 more digit is not there. So let me apply 0.0263. And decimal is here, so 0.0263. Clear? The same 0.5 divided by 1000. So we have to move 3 digits. 1 digit is 0. The 2 more digit is also 0. So 0.0005. Right? So here we go for the next problem. 7 divided by 3.5. 3.5 just change to the fraction. It will become a 7 divided by 35 by 10, right? 1 decimal digit, so 10 divided by 10. So now we can change this division to the multiplication. So 7 into the reciprocal of the followed fraction, that is a 10 by 35. Now it is easy to cancel, right? 7 table, it is for a 5 times. Both are in the 7 factors. 1 times, 5 times. So 10 into 1 is 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is nothing, just a 2. Right? 5 table 1 times 10 is a 2. Clear? So here the next 7.75 divided by 1000. So it's very easy. We can move to the left. Right? 3 zeros, so 3 digits. 1 digit is 7 and 2 more. There is no 2 more digits, so let me add a 2 zeros. That's a 0.7 0.00775. So this is a 0.00775. Clear? So we'll go for the next problem. A vehicle covers distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liters of petrol? So using 2.4 liters of petrol, it covers 43.2 kilometers. So we have to find for a 1 liter, right? What operation here involves? It's a division, right? Just one more example you can consider, an 10 chocolates I buy it for a 5 rupees. So for 1 rupee, how many chocolates I will get? So obviously we'll divide that, right? 10 divided by 5, so we will getting a 2 chocolate for a 1 rupee. The same, but here just it is in the terms like a decimal, that's it, but the operations are the same, division. So therefore for 1 liter, so just division, so 43.2 divided by 2.4. This division I have said you don't want to go for the normal thing, just by removing the decimal point, just multiple the number of zeros followed by 1 in the opposite place. If it is numerator, place in denominator. If it is denominator, do in the numerator. So this we can write without decimal point as a 432 by 24 into, in the denominator there is only 1 digit, so multiple 10 in the numerator, and numerator there is also same 1 digit and multiplied by 10. So obviously the 10 will be cancelled, and we have to divide only the 432 by 24. So how many times it will cancel? So 24 table it will occur, 24 for 1 times, 43 will not come 1 times, 24 and balance carry onwards, and it for an 8 times, 18 times, right? So it will be a 18 by 1, just a 18 kilometer. So using a 1 liter, therefore using 1 liter of petrol, vehicle covers 18 kilometer. Clear? Thank you.